Last episode, I told you I was launching a second channel. Yeah, I changed my mind. It will live right here. Same channel, same Uncle Rod, less hassle for everybody, less costs for me. Always good. Welcome to the first Wednesday night episode of Uncle Rod's AI Agent Guide. Monday and Thursday nights are still AI news for people who ain't stupid. Wednesday nights are about helping all of us figure out how to actually learn and use this stuff. And I'm starting here because of a comment from a viewer named Bat Masterson, who wrote, I'm looking for that first Hello World agent. And that's where a lot of you are. You've been watching this channel. You've heard about agents mining cryptocurrency, lying to protect each other, replacing middle managers, getting deployed at Amazon and Salesforce and Block, aka Oblong. You understand why agents matter. What you don't know is how to get started building one yourself. And the reason you don't know is because most of the people teaching this stuff either move too fast, assume too much, or forget what it was like to not know what a terminal is. Tonight, I'm going to introduce you to the creators who don't do that, the ones who go slow, show everything, explain every click, and don't make you feel stupid for being new. Because the smartest teacher is not always the best first teacher. Are you ready? Well, let's go.
Ho, ho, ho. Only you can build your first AI agent.
Monday night, I broke down the 5 things every AI agent needs. Here's just a real quick refresher for anyone who missed it. An agent needs hands, a way to do things in the world. Search, click, send, pull data. It needs a brain, logic to decide what to do and in what order. It needs memory, so it doesn't start over every 5 minutes like a goldfish with a job title or 50 first dates. It needs an audit because if you don't test it, it will do something expensive and embarrassing at the most worst time imaginable. And it needs a job. One real task done well instead of 10 imaginary tasks done poorly, badly. Tonight is about the hands, your first build, your first Hello World agent. The teachers I'm about to show you are the ones who will help you get from, I don't know what a terminal is, to, I just built something and it works, without making you want to throw your laptop out the window. Probably. And let me say this one more time because it matters. I'm not the teacher. I'm the guide, okay? I've watched these people that I'm going to recommend to you. I've evaluated how they teach. And I'm going to tell you who's worth your time depending on how you learn. That's my job. Their job is to actually teach you. My job is to make sure you don't waste 6 months figuring out which one of them to watch first. If I had to pick one creator to send a total beginner to first, it would probably be all about AI. His name is Chris. Chris does something that most technical creators forget to do. He shows you everything. And when I say everything, I mean he will show you how to open VS Code, explain what a directory is, walk you through every button, and build a working agent live on screen while explaining every single step. He recently did a full Claude Code for Beginners walkthrough where he didn't just say, install this. He showed you where to click, what to type, and what should happen next. If nothing happened, he explained why. If you're the kind of person who needs to see every click before you try it yourself, Chris is your starting point. He's patient, he's thorough, and he has zero ego about going slow. All about AI. Link will be in the description. Now, if you're somebody who wants to, you want more structure like an actual course with a beginning, middle, and end, look at Skill Leap AI. This channel operates more like a school than a YouTube vlog. They have a complete AI agent course on YouTube that is slow-paced, high production, and designed so you never miss a step because the screen was too small or the teacher moved too fast. Some people learn best from watching somebody else, do something, and I've told you that's what I am. I'm a visual learner. Other people learn best from a curriculum that takes them through it in order. If you're the curriculum type, Skill Leap is your lane. Now here's one thing that's going to matter for a specific kind of learner. Igor Pogany runs a channel called The AI Advantage, and he does something most agent teachers don't do. He shows you how to think about the agent before you build it. He uses visual whiteboards to map out the logic of the agent. What does it need to do first? What happens if this step fails? Where does the information go? You see the whole brain of the agent drawn out on a board before anyone touches any code. If you're a visual learner who gets intimidated by code, seeing the logic mapped out first is a massive confidence builder. Because once you understand the logic, the code is just the instructions for what you already understand. Igor is the architect who draws the blueprints before you start hammering nails. If that's how your brain works, watch him early. Corbin AI is the guy you watch when you've got an afternoon and you want to end it with a working prototype on your phone. Corbin is one of the first people I followed whenever I first got into this. Corbin, Matthew Berman, who we'll talk about here in a second, Matt Wolf, who talks about more like all the features and things, and Matt VidPro also talked about the features. Anyway, Corbin was one of the first guys that I listened to and followed quite a bit. And he's a very intelligent person. He recently did a 6-hour app build for beginners, 6 hours, start to finish. And he spends real time explaining how to connect the pieces together in a way that feels like he's sitting right next to you at the kitchen table. If you're the type who learns by doing, not by watching, not by reading, but by actually building something alongside somebody, Corbin is a strong pick. You press play, you follow along, and by the end, you have a thing that actually works. Now notice what's happening here. These are not all the same kind of teacher. Chris shows every click. Skill Leap gives you a classroom. Igor draws the logic. Corbin builds alongside you. They're all beginner-friendly, but they teach in completely different ways. That's the point. The right teacher depends on how your brain works, not on who has the most subscribers. Now, Riley Brown is a different animal entirely. Riley is not the slow, detailed, every click explained teacher. He's the opposite. He's fast, he's high energy, and he makes you feel like anything is possible. What does that matter for beginners? Because the biggest obstacle for most beginners isn't the technology. It's the belief that they can actually do it. Riley breaks that barrier. He makes you think, well, maybe I actually could build something. You watch Riley for courage, then you watch Chris or Corbin for the actual steps. AI Jason, who we talked about last episode, as well as Riley. AI Jason serves a similar purpose, but from a different angle. Jason shows you what a finished product looks like. Clean, practical, grounded. If you need to see the destination before you can follow the directions, Jason gives you that picture. Then you go to one of the step-by-step teachers for the build. Now, if you're not interested in coding at all, if you're a business owner or a solopreneur who just wants to automate something useful and make money, Liam Otley is the name you need to know. Liam is the king of the AI automation agency movement. He assumes you're a founder, not a coder. He focuses on low-code and no-code tools where you can build an agent that answers phones, books calendars, and handles customer workflows without ever looking at a line of Python, which I don't want to. If your question is less, how do I build an agent, and more, how do I build a business with agents, Liam is your first step. Although, try to get a basic understanding, I would say, of the others first before you just want to jump into this one. Like I know if I were in your shoes, I would want to do. Because like I've told you before, the LLMs that you'll work with, they're a lot like teenagers or young employees or coworkers that you've had, maybe a little bit lazy, try to take the easy way out sometimes. And you need to recognize when that's happening. Otherwise, you'll be in a mess sometimes. And once you've built your first agent and you want to start asking whether it actually works well, you look up Matthew Berman. He's not a beginning teacher, not a beginner, way over my head for the longest time and still half the time at least probably still is. I'm learning, but I started out with, he was one of my mats. I called him the 3 mats. And he was the one I had the most difficult time following. He's very, very intelligent, very smart guy. But, me not being, I'm not a smart man, Jenny. So sometimes it right over the top of my head. It's probably why my bald spot got so big. But he's where you go when you're ready to audit your own work. Later stop, not the first stop for sure, but very interesting. I mean, if you want to check him out now, go ahead. Hopefully you're a lot smarter than me and you can follow what he's saying. He's not that technical. It's just a lot of benchmarkings, a lot of installs. He knows how to, I'm sure the guy builds his own computers and knows every piece intimately. But so let's make this as simple as I can. If you have never built anything and you're scared to start, watch All About AI. Chris will show you every click. You'll have something working before the video is over. If you want a structured course instead of a single video, watch Skill Leap AI. They'll walk you through it like a classroom. If you need to see the logic before you see the code, watch the AI Advantage. Igor will draw it on a whiteboard so it makes sense before you touch anything. If you learn by doing and you've got an afternoon, watch Corbin AI. Build alongside him for 6 hours. End the day with a prototype. Not all of his videos are that long. So watch Corbin's other stuff. And I guess you found my channel, so I guess you know how to find that. You click on the creator's name or you hit search and you'll find them in the search bar. But you can find all their videos when you click on their name. And you click on the videos where it says videos and shorts and playlists and all that. Click on videos and it'll give you all of their episodes in order, with the most recent one being first and so on and so forth down to their early videos. If you need somebody to make you believe you can do this before you try, watch Riley Brown first, then go to Chris or Corbin for the build. If you want to build a business, not an agent, watch Liam Otley. He speaks founder, not engineer. And when you're ready to go deeper and start asking whether the thing you've built actually works well, that's when you watch Berman. You don't need all of them. You need the right one for where you are right now. And it's okay to go and watch some of the others. That'll help you understand which one you want to start with. Bat Masterson said he's looking for his first Hello World agent. Tonight I gave him a few real places to start. That's what Wednesday nights are about. Not about the news, not about the chaos going on, not the leaks and the hacks and the models lying to protect each other. Monday and Thursdays are for that. Wednesdays is for the map. I had people ask me to, start showing them how to do some things. Every creator I mentioned tonight is linked in the description below this video. Click the ones that match how you learn, not the ones with the most subscribers. The best first teacher is the clearest one, not necessarily the smartest one, although they might be. And let me leave you with 2 things that happened this week that explain why I'm doing this series right now. Databricks just published their State of AI Agents report this week. They surveyed 20,000 organizations, including 60% of the Fortune 500 companies. 95% of AI projects never make it to production. They die in the pilot stage. But the companies that use evaluation tools, the ones that actually test what they build, get 6 times more projects into production than the ones that don't. 6 times. That means learning to build agents is only half the equation. Learning to build agents that you can verify, test, and trust is what separates the 5% that ship from the 95% that don't. And again, before I go, let me tell you about Anthropic announced today that their new model Mythos found a 27-year-old security vulnerability in one of the most hardened operating systems on Earth. It cost $50 in compute. They found a 16-year-old bug that survived 5 million automated scans, and they built a fully autonomous exploit on FreeBSD with 0 human involvement. Anthropic says the model is too dangerous to release publicly. 40 companies just formed a coalition because the window between discovery and exploitation has collapsed from months to minutes. This is why Wednesday nights matter. This technology is not slowing down for anybody. The window to learn this stuff is open right now, and it won't be open forever. And the people who understand how agents work, how they think, how they connect to tools, how they, connect the dogs, how they're tested are going to be the ones who matter when models like Mythos are everywhere. And we don't even know what Mythos is yet. But apparently it's going to be so advanced that, they're letting the people that defend against hacks have it first so they can get a running start. And again, here we go again with sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Which is it? It's both. Talked about that, 2 episodes ago? I feel like, it's a yo-yo, back and forth, back and forth. Doesn't work worth a crap. Man, it works brilliantly. It's greatest thing since sliced bread. That's what AI is right now. So pick a teacher from tonight's list, watch one video, build one thing, start now, don't put it off, because this is moving faster than any of us expected. And when you start building agents and you want to know if they actually work the way they're supposed to, then that's what I built. That's what tabverified.ai is for. We test them so you don't have to guess. That should be the tagline. We test them so you don't have to. And in the comments, tell me what you want next Wednesday. Do you want the best teachers for visual learners, the best AI communities to join, the best path for business owners? Tell me and I'll let you know about it. I'll do all the research. I'm Uncle Rod. This is Rod Miller AI. Uncle Rod's AI Agent Guide drops every Wednesday night right here on this channel. Same time, same place. I'll see you Thursday for the news.